time for our 2020-2021 NFL 4-box Hail Mary Mixer random team style number 1. Trades are now closed, and here are your teams. Mel Pitt has the Dolphins. M.K. Dieppe with the Giants. The Bears are going to Zuby, as well as the Rams. Smiley Shaw has the Raiders. A. Rosamanda with the Bucks. Jamie, you've got the Steelers. Andrew Hall with the Saints. Zuby, you've got the Cleveland Browns, New England Patriots, L.A. Chargers, Cincinnati Bengals. Vice Rex Road with the Lions and the Jets. Zuby with the Vikings. G-Strum with the Packers. T. Wood with the Cowboys. M. Hill has the Ravens. Zuby, you got the Jags. Vice Rex Road with the Bills. Washington football team going to Greg. Zuby, you've got the Broncos, the Niners, and the Texans. Big haul for Zuby. Cardinals were traded to M. Hill and for the Seahawks, who were traded to S. Lynn. The Chiefs are going to M. Hill. Suits has the Titans. Stewie has the Eagles. D.A. Lewis with the Falcons. M. Hill with the Panthers. And T. Ruya with the Indianapolis Colts. Good luck, everybody. All right. Let's start with the college, then do the pros. Let's go with Contenders Draft to start. Shane, we have more breaks coming up at 3 o'clock Pacific time, so this will be it. We're going to shut things down for about an hour after this break, and then C-Rad's going to come in at 3 o'clock, and he'll be on until this evening. All right, here we go. Starting off with Contenders Football Draft Picks 2021. The first auto. That's right. I got to get my group break checklist up. Let's do this, make it easier. Malik Herring. Auto. All right. Malik Herring is a member of... if you guys know in the chat, if you know before I do, holler at me. Malik Herring, a member of the Kansas City Chiefs. Kansas City on the board for the first auto, and a Michael Thomas campus ticket. Got a ticket. College ticket. Malcolm Kuntz. Malcolm Kuntz, a member of the Las Vegas Raiders. College ticket auto. Congrats. I thought that was something a little different. It was not. Josh Allen. Crow. Van Jefferson, number to 23, legacy ticket cracked ice auto. Going out to the Los Angeles Rams. Congratulations. 4 of 23. Congrats. Nice hit there for the Rams. Chris Carson, campus ticket insert. Deion Jackson, another number to 23 cracked ice auto. Wow. That is going out to... Does Deion Jackson have a home right now? Nope, that's a... it looks like he was just waived by the Colts, although we'll double check that one. But right now, Deion Jackson, formerly of the Colts, he just got waived, it looks like. But maybe he went to the practice squad and he's still there. Yeah, I think we may random that Deion Jackson at the end, but if anybody can confirm, I believe we will. All right. Devontae Adams, campus ticket. Dax Milne, auto. That's going out to the Washington football team, Dax Milne. A Jordan Love campus ticket insert. And we got one more auto for this first box. It is a Cornell Powell auto. Cornell Powell. And that is going out. We're going to random for that one. Actually, it looks like he made the practice squad. So, let's see here. Looks like he made the Chiefs practice squad. Believe he's on the practice squad, but we'll have to keep an eye on that one as well. All right. And a red zone ticket, number to 20, DeAndre Hopkins. Going out to the Cardinals. It's a nice one. All right, that does it for the first box. And again, we'll random everybody in. Random for the two cards, I believe two, at least two. For sure, the Deion Jackson. But possibly the Cornell Powell as well. I'll double check on that one. All right. Always fun doing the college stuff right before the season starts. Everybody's, all the rosters getting determined. People have left teams. People are on to, you know, it's all over the place. Practice squads, whatever. All right, here we go. Prism draft picks 2021. First auto is a Chris Evans auto from Michigan. Member of the Cincinnati Bengals. David Johnson, Red Wave. Number to 49, Myles Garrett. And a silver Quiddy Pay rookie. Quiddy Pay, big preseason for the Indianapolis Colts. Quiddy Pay, Mac Jones, rookie All-American insert. Next auto is a Levi Onwuzurike. He is a member of the Detroit Lions. Detroit Lions on the board. And a nice Red Wave Crusade parallel, Justin Fields. Nice one. Going out to the Bears. Congratulations. How about another for the Browns? Number to 10. 1 of 10, Nick Chubb. Nice hit, Cleveland. Congrats. And a silver Michael Pittman Jr. Next auto is an Isaiah McDuffie auto. Member of the Green Bay Packers. Ooh, Bears doing well. Number to 99, cracked ice, Justin Fields. Blue cracked ice of the Bears' new star quarterback. Congratulations, Bears. Zuby. Nice hit. Congrats. And a red Odell Beckham, number to 299. Man, Brown's doing real well. And a silver Tyler Vaughns. There is a base rookie of Trey Lance. Almost flew right past my guy. Base rookie Trey Lance. Rashad Bateman. Daz Newsome auto. Going out to the Chicago Bears. Bears having a nice break. Pat Freiermuth. Red Wave rookie Pat Freiermuth going out to the Pittsburgh Steelers. And a number to 199, Laviska Shenault Jr. Silver of Drew Brees. Going to the Saints. Rookie Micah Parsons. And a base rookie, Zach Wilson. Numbered to 149, Warren Jackson auto. Blue Warren Jackson auto. Going out, I believe, to the Vikings. As far as I know, this is a Vikings. Yeah, I believe you'll be on the Vikings. Red Wave, Alvin Kamara. Oh, that's going to the Saints. And a number to 149, purple, cracked ice, Jerry Jeudy. Silver Crusade rookie of Micah Parsons. And Dylan Moses and Terrace Marshall Jr. All right, on to, let's do certified, and then we'll wrap it up with Zenith, the big boy, to wrap it up.
Giants
One
winning?
nothing, but
Oh.
2 on, 2 out for the.
Last night,
that was a heartbreaker.
I don't know what the umpire was looking at, but
That strike 3 to Posey was awful.
I'm talking
Awful.
about who was pitching for the Giants.
Oh, yeah. Was it? What inning was that?
It was late Alvarez.
Oh, that's right. That's right. That's what it was. Yeah, that was awful. That was awful.
No. That was the.
No, I know. I remember what you're talking about now. Yeah. That was awful.
It was
It was at the knees strike, like easily strike 3 call.
No, the one I'm talking about definitely that guy started scoring.
Yeah, that was rough. Ah. All right, here we go. Certified football. Brand new certified football right off the bat. Oh, my goodness. Right from the get-go. Number to 199, rookie patch auto, Kyle Trask. Going out to the Buccaneers. Woo. 150 of 199. How about that, Bucks? A. Rosamonda getting the Kyle Trask RPA. Boom! Nice way to kick it off. Number to 299, TJ Watt. Number to 75, stars insert Aaron Rodgers. Number 2, 199, Elijah Mitchell, rookie running back for the 49ers. For the 49ers, a number to 125, JaMychal Hasty, mirror signatures. Tutu Atwell, jersey relic, number to 249 for the Los Angeles Rams. James Robinson, 2021. Number to 50, Jeff Okudah for the Lions. Number to 99, Aaron Rodgers, stars insert. Number to 299, Chris Evans, rookie for the Bengals. Number to 75, Amari Rogers. Jared Goff, and a Pat Freiermuth, rookie relic number 299 for the Steelers. And that will do it for certified football final box. Coming right up. 2020 Zenith, and then we will random for the 2 autos that are of players that are no longer on an NFL team at the moment. Zenith Football 2020. Let's do it. 6 cards in this one. Hopefully something big in store. Good luck. Again, once we're done here, we are going to shut down the feed for about 90 minutes. C-Red will be with you guys a little bit later. Christian McCaffrey. Base. A Vikings Randall Cunningham base. Jersey relic number 260. Christian McCaffrey. And the RPA. It's a good one. Dual RPA. Dual Patchum, rookie auto number to 50, Jonathan Taylor of the Indianapolis Colts. Congrats. Colts getting the RPA out of Zenith Football. Congratulations. Who had the Colts? Indy. T. Faruya. Congratulations. Number to 75, auto of Lance Briggs. Bears having a nice break. Congrats. 64 of 75, the defensive standout for the Chicago Bears, and a Kyle Duggar base rookie. There we go. All right, that will do it for this break. We do have 2 cards to random here at the end. Let me just confirm that both these guys are no longer in an NFL uniform. No, but for sure Deion Jackson is not. There we go. Bloodbath. Congrats. Yeah, that's a sweet hit. All right, I'm just trying to make sure Cornell Powell is not on the practice squad for the Chiefs. If he is, then that is the Chiefs card. It appears he is. Yes. Okay, so Cordell Powell is not up for grabs. He's on the Chiefs practice squad, so he will go to the Chiefs. So we do just have the 1 auto to give away, the Deion Jackson, number to 23. Everybody is in. All teams are in on this random, and here we go. And we are going to random 8 times for the Deion Jackson number to 23 auto. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 8. And it's going to the Buffalo Bills. Bills getting the numbered to 23 cracked ice Deion Jackson. All right, that's going to do it for these early breaks on a Thursday. C-Rad will be with you guys in just a little over an hour. Hanging out with you guys all throughout the evening, starting at 3 o'clock with Topps Chrome Hobby and going all the way till 9 p.m. Pacific time. All right, guys. I will see you guys later.